This is 7th grade Geography of World Regions, Unit 1, Lesson 7 Overview. And here we are in Rubicon with our guide. That's what you're going to want to start with. And then you have the documents listed below to assist you with these lessons. I'm going to go into the guide now. So in this one, students are going to learn how to identify spatial distributions, patterns, and associations. They're going to examine various maps and models. They're going to create a list of visible patterns and demonstrate the severity of COVID-19 in the United States. And then they're going to explain how humans are connected to non-living and other living things on Earth by explaining why certain areas were more severely impacted by COVID-19. All right, we did include a United States student map because in Activity 2, they're going to need to be able to identify specific places on the map, and they may not have that in their knowledge at this time. So we included a student map so that they can use that to help them out, where the COVID is on the COVID map. So 3 activities here. First, you're going to the spatial distribution pattern and association PowerPoints. This is very interactive. In this particular one, we've included a student hand to go along with it so that students can take notes with this as they're going, because there are a lot of different maps that we're going to ask them to respond upon, like what patterns it is, and discussing those as we go throughout that particular PowerPoint. And then we're going to use the COVID map and the United map. Those are found in our resources, the COVID map and the United States map. They're going to use this picture to help them identify different things going on. What are some of the patterns and the distributions that they notice about the COVID-19 breakout, specifically in the United States. And then once they have finished that, we'd like to see them do some research with this and to actually investigate some of the reasons to why different areas were impacted differently. So, what we're looking for here is like that they higher population, there's a lot of world travel there or international travel there. So can the students find some of those things as to why were certain areas more impacted? In South Carolina, our own hometown, has reasons as to why we have a higher outbreak than maybe some of the other areas. So we want students to try to find some information, create a presentation of some sort that helps identify, why these types of behaviors are happening with the COVID spread. All right, this is Unit 1, Lesson 7 Overview.